Welcome back to the channel. You're going to hear, we're going to start this up. I haven't started it yet today. This machine here starts without the choke. I have a rattle in the front, and I believe one of the end caps in the muffler is loose and it's vibrating. So we're going to start it up. You're going to hear the rattle. When they're making that noise, what's happening is one of the end caps in the muffler is vibrating or turning, and it has a leak in it. Once in a while, it's a clutch, but we're going to tear the hoods right off and open it right up, and we're going to take it apart, check the muffler, and while we're in there, we are going to check the electric clutch. So the first thing we're going to do is take the side panels off. Now we are going to take the hood assembly right off as one piece. Going to unhook the lights. So I'm going to just put the wires, I'm going to fold them back, put them right about there. Now we're going to take the top bonnet off. 1/2 inch right there. That goes down to your manifold bolt. Now we're going to take the sides off. It takes a 3/8. Now you can do this without taking the hood off. It's just a lot simpler if you do. Now I did notice that this cover here has broken away from the bonnet, but we're still going to take that out. It might be holding just a little bit on the bottom. These are very common to break in this area right here. These machines are just getting old. Now this is a plain KT17. It is not a Series 2. This one here it starts without a choke. You get quite a few of them KT17s that do. And I'm exactly right. Right there is the issue. Let's start that up and you'll see how much that's leaking. Apart before, and they just make a rotation round and round with a swirl of the compression. We're just going to loosen these up. Well, I dropped that nut. Now it's going to take 11/16 to take off them 7/16 nuts right there. On the bottom here, they're 5/8, and the center for the clutch is also 5/8. But we're going to take them off, and that muffler is going to be easy to remove. Now we'll soak them. Now we're going to soak the muffler. And we might have to tap on it just a little bit to break it loose. Actually, both end caps are loose. So this muffler here isn't really worth saving. You can weld them up if you have to. You can see this has the IH emblem on it. There's the International Harvester part number, 223, 292. When they came out with the 86 series, they started using C1s instead of R1s. And that was the code right up until the end. International Harvester was the most innovative on parts storage of any company at the time. They were way ahead of their time with all that. And I believe John Deere bought their whole shelving and everything when they closed up in Rock Island. So now we're going to get them shined up a little bit, cleaned up, get some of that rust off so the muffler goes on. I've never cracked a manifold before, and I don't want to. So we're going to put the clamps on. Now after we get this on, you want them nice and flush right there. We will start it up. Going to put the clamps on. I'll put the first clamp on. I'm going to tap that in just a tad more. And the reason you want these to be right flush with the manifold, so this pipe right here goes through your grill perfect. If you have a problem with alignment on your grill, it's usually because somebody doesn't have the muffler all the way on right. There is some adjustments on your on the slots on the side, but usually if the muffler isn't installed correctly, that's some of your issue. Now, it's going to smoke a little bit with that WD-40 on it, but we're going to start it right up, and we're going to see how much quieter it is. Stay tuned to the channel. I'm not sure if this motor's good or not. I didn't quite like the way it ran, but it is much quieter. So we're going to mow with this machine. We're going to see. I never tore the carburetor off to see if it was dirty or not, but it almost sounds like this is a KT17. It kind of sounds like a rod is going, and not because of a knock. Usually when they draw like that a little bit, the motor isn't awfully great. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Make sure you leave a like and a comment. Love the comments. And we'll see if we can keep this machine together on this motor. We are going to be mowing with it. So we'll definitely see you on the next video. A lot of videos coming up in the next few weeks. And we'll see you then.